Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create community group in your WhatsApp business. So once you open your WhatsApp business here, to create a community you have to go and go to the community section. Now here you will see this option of plus icon. Click on get started. Now here you have to just name this, right? So for now I will just name here test. You can change the profile picture, everything. Now just click on arrow icon. Now your community has been created, and now inside this community you can just create n number of WhatsApp groups as well as the announcement. So here I can just create my group, or I can add existing group, right? As well as I can go to the announcement section, and here I can do the announcement for all the members, all the group of all the members who have added in the group, and I can just do the announcement, and that announcement will be sent to every person. So this community section is really useful if you do in a certain manner, and you can always do this. I hope you found this information really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.